Today we have Nolan here. He has an AXILE G8 and is working with this asset for about 5 years. Nolan, we have a few questions for you. Can you describe the machine's performance?
Yes, the machine's been performing very well. The accuracy of the machine and repeatability is very good. The access to 5-axis has opened up a lot of doors for things we couldn't reach before, cutting out costs for EDM in a lot of places that we can just tip and put small ball cutters into. Having a laser and a touch probe is much better than gauge blocking everything else like we have been for many years.
Excellent. And could you describe the level of service and application support that you've experienced by the AXILE AMC team?
The service has been very good. The support from the factory is always an answer within 24 hours. And anything that doesn't need involvement from the factory, Mike's able to come out and sometimes in 20 minutes to stop by the factory and assist with.
Excellent. And if you were in the market for new equipment, what type of AXILE machines might you consider?
The next one I would consider, I think, is the G10 for bigger cores and cavities than we can fit on our machines now, larger components.
Excellent. Well, we'd very much like to say thank you for sharing the experience.
You're welcome.